Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious omelet egg with vegetables. First, let's gather our essentials. You will need 2 or 3 large eggs, a small splash of milk, and your choice of fresh vegetables. For example, 1/4 cup of diced bell peppers, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, and 1/2 cup of fresh spinach work wonderfully. Also, have 1 tablespoon of butter or oil ready for the pan. Next, let's prepare our ingredients. In a bowl, whisk your eggs with about 1 tablespoon of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper until the mixture is light and frothy. Meanwhile, in a separate pan, sauté your diced vegetables over medium heat for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. You want them to be tender crisp, retaining a bit of their bite, not overly soft. Now for the cooking. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in your whisked egg mixture, letting it set for about 30 seconds without stirring. Once the edges begin to firm, spoon your sautéed vegetables onto 1/2 of the omelet. Carefully, using a spatula, gently fold the other half of the egg over the vegetable filling. Continue cooking your folded omelet for another 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring the eggs are fully set and cooked through. Once golden and firm, carefully slide your beautiful vegetable omelet onto a plate. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped herbs like parsley or chives. Serve it immediately and savor this delightful, healthy meal. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.